Wang Vian, once known primarily for its adventure sports, has transferred into one of the world's most iconic and welcoming towns. From riverside resorts to boutique retreats and budget-friendly options, Wang Viang's accommodation ensures guests can unwind after a day of exploration while soaking into the beauty of its landscape. The first one is Riverside Boutique Resort. This riverside gem is often regarded as the most elegant stay in Wang Biang. Designed with colonial style architecture, it is surrounded by many curated gardens and offers stunning river and mountain views. Guests can enjoy a luxurious pool, spa treatments, and fine dining at the on site restaurant. The staff are attentive and known for their professionalism, ensuring every stay feels personalized. Its claimed setting make it perfect for both families and couples seeking refined comfort. The second one is T-Mark Resort Wang Viang, a five-star property. T-Mark Resort combines modern design with breathtaking scenery. Its rooms feature balconies overlooking the Crest Cliffs and Namsong River, making sunrise and sunset unforgettable experiences. Facilities include a large swimming pool, gym, spa, and multiple dining options. Guests often praises the peaceful environment and the efficiency of the staff. This resort is ideal for travelers who want luxury paired with natural beauty. The third one is Confetti Garden Hotel. Confetti Garden offers a playful yet sophisticated atmosphere with colorful interiors and cozy, well-furnished rooms. Located within walking distance of the local shops and restaurants, it provides convenience without noise. Visitors highlight the cleanliness of the rooms and the friendliness of the staff. It's a balanced choice for those who want affordability and comfort together. The fourth one is Wang Viang River Cube Hotel. River Cube Hotel brings a modern flair to the center of Wang Viang with clean lines, sleek interior, and an inviting pool. The rooms are designed with functionality in mind, offering comfort for both short and long stays. With good food options nearby and a professional staff, it is a strong mid-tier choice. The fifth one is Campes Youth Hotel. Known for its simplicity and homely feel, Campes Youth Hotel is a good fit for families and travelers on longer stays. Rooms are modest but clean, offering reliable comfort without unnecessary extras. Guests often mention the value for money and the clean environment. It is especially suited for those who want affordability in a laid-back setting. The next one is Win Hotel. Win Hotel blends practicality with warmth, featuring a pool, shared lounge, and welcoming service. Located close to center, it allows easy access to restaurants and activities. Rooms are well kept, offering basic but satisfying comfort. It's an excellent choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for more than just a basic guest house. The next one is Sky Hotel. Sky Hotel offers a modern yet cozy stay with a rooftop terrace that provides spectacular views of the Crest Mountain. Its rooms are bright, tidy, and equipped with essential amenities for a comfortable visit. Being centrally located, it makes exploring Wang Yang easy. It's popular with solo travelers and couples seeking convenience. The next one is Dok Campa Hotel. A well-maintained hotel, Dok Campa features spacious rooms and a welcoming staff that adds a personal touch to stays. Guests appreciate the garden and terrace, which provide pleasant stop for relaxation. Its atmosphere is quiet and homely, making it a favorite for those who prefer a slower pace. The second last is An Pushit Boutique Resort. Stylish and polished, An Pushit Boutique Resort offers modern rooms with riverside views and refined amenities. It has a restaurant, gym, and spaces that cater to both leisure and business travelers. Guests command the design and overall quality of this service. Its blend of luxury and tranquility set it apart. The last one is Vieng Tara Resort. Viengtara Resort is a nature-focused retreat located slightly away from the bustle of town. The staff are praised for their attentive and welcoming approach. It's particularly well suited for travelers seeking peace, quiet, and connection with Van Vieng's natural beauty. Van Vieng's hotel mirrors the town's dual personality, equal part adventurous and serene. Whether you want riverside luxury at Riverside Boutique Resort, stylish modern comfort at an Hushit Boutique Resort, or budget friendly claim at Kampa Suites Hotel, there are something for every traveler.